Alright, let's make a Tetris game without any coding, and I will walk you through every step. First, head over to Google and search for Tetris game UI. Find an image you like, download it, and we will use this as our inspiration for the game style. Next, go to V0. This is the tool that will actually generate our code. Upload the Tetris screenshot you just downloaded. V0 will use this as a style guide to make our game look just like the reference. Here is the fun part. Now we are going to ask V0 to generate the game code. In the prompt box, type this exact text. Create a Tetris game in Next.js. Make the game visually appealing. Use the attached screenshot as a reference and modify the game to look even better. Stylize the UI as shown in the screenshot, then just hit enter and let V0 process the request. V0 will take a few moments to generate everything. You don't need to write a single line of code. It will do all the work for you. Just like that. Here is our Tetris game. It's fully styled, working and ready to play. Wow, check it out. It looks amazing, just like the reference, but with an even better style. And it works perfectly. I didn't write a single line of code and it's already complete. That's it, your very own Tetris game, created in minutes without any coding. Give it a try, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy game making tips, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next.